Okay, so we're back over at our site and we are going to create a page. If you click on New at the top there and you click on Page, very similar to the way you create posts, this is how you create a page. Now the difference between a post and a page is that posts are time-stamped, because if you're running a blog then each of your posts will be dated in the post itself. And posts also appear in what's called RSS feeds, so if someone subscribes to your blog they will get updates in their RSS feed reader. Now don't worry if you don't understand what this means. Just think of pages as a page like your contact page or your terms and conditions page, a privacy policy page, or any static page that isn't included in categories. It won't be viewable on your home page unless you physically make it viewable on your home page. But like a blog, if we just go back to the home page, like a blog, every time you add a post it will just appear at the top here and push the rest of these down, so they're in date form. So let's go back and we'll create a new page. And let's just say we want to set up a terms and conditions page, which I recommend you include in your site, a terms and conditions and a privacy policy. But I'm not a legal advisor, so I can't advise you really on that. We're just going to edit this URL and change it to terms. And then we're going to click on publish. Okay, if we go to the site by clicking on View Site, you can see that you can't see the terms page anywhere. So going back, if we go to Appearance and then Widgets, on the right hand side here under Sidebar we can add our pages in there. So the available widgets in the middle of the screen here, we can see you've got pages. We can click on that and scroll it over, and we can put that down the bottom. Let's call that legal and then click save. Okay, so going back to the site again, scrolling down we can see underneath legal we've got our terms and conditions page at the bottom there. Now these 4 pages came pre-installed with the template that we downloaded, but we can remove them by going back, going under pages, all pages, and you can see here these additional pages which we don't need. We're going to tick all those, and underneath where it says bulk actions we're going to drop that down, click on move to trash and then click on apply. Okay, we're also going to add a privacy policy in here, which I'm going to grab now. Then I'm just going to go to add new again, type in the title, privacy policy, click the mouse in the middle of the screen, and I'm just going to paste in my policy in there. Okay, this is from another site that I own, so I use the same privacy policy and template across all my sites. I'm going to click on edit there and I'm going to change the URL. Okay, so I'm going to publish again and I'm going to go to view site. Okay, now down the right hand side you can see underneath legal we've got the privacy policy and the terms and conditions page. Okay, so clicking through one of those you can see that this is a static page, it's not stamped or dated, and that's how you set up pages on your website.